Hello friends, welcome to Salesforce CRMA video session 202. So basically in today's video, we will discuss about the CRMA dashboard related to the standard object opportunity. We will build a standard opportunity dashboard and we will check like how it's done and all. So again, the same procedure, going to data manager. Firstly, let me here quickly check for the opportunity. What are the things which we have? This is the opportunity. So of course, I know that the name close date station is something which you can always put in. I can also check on the type and lead source maybe. Okay. Yeah, maybe I can check on the type and lead source. So let's do one thing. Let me open the data export as well. Okay, I see some proper values already for all these fields. So I think these fields are enough for me. Okay, to build a dashboard, I can have the name, stage name, lead source type, and close date. Okay, I think that's actually more than enough. But still, I can check one last time. Type, yeah, type, lead source, stage name. That's enough for me. Okay. Yeah, maybe amount also I can just take it. Yeah, I think I will also have figures for amount. Cool, that is great. We'll go to data manager, follow the same procedure, manage data flow, data flow and recipe. We will operate on this. So we'll click over here, go for Salesforce objects. Okay. So okay, I'll search with opportunity. Yeah, this is the one. And we'll select ID, account ID, name. Okay, stage name, amount. I don't know, I can also select the expected amount, I guess. Let me check for the expected amount if we have any values. Expected revenue, let's see. Okay, I can also select the expected revenue, that is fine. Close date, I can select the type, lead source. Created date, I think that's enough. Yeah, I think that this much is enough for me. Yeah, let me click on next. And now finally I will just click on opportunity dashboard dataset. Okay. We'll click on save and run. And of course, we will monitor this. Let's monitor it. Okay, as we can see, this ran successfully. Now, what I will do is I will go to my data set. I will go to that app first of all. And yeah, I can see the data set also over here. That is fine. Now clicking on all items. So let me click on create. Let me click on dashboard. Okay. Oh, sorry. I think I clicked on the lightning dashboard. It will be basically CRMA dashboard. Okay. Click on create dashboard and let me very quickly bring in all these things. I'm giving a text, giving one more text. The format I'm following the same. Okay. And maybe what I can do is I can give a container this time. Okay. So I was not giving any container till now, but yeah, I think I can focus on giving container. And let me focus on the filters which I'll be like to bring. Okay. So I can go for this kind of filter itself. Okay. So I will search with, and let's say I take the stage name into consideration. Okay. And maybe after this, I can bring the list filter itself. That is fine. And what I can do is probably I can increase this a bit. Okay. For list filter, maybe I can take something related to type. Yeah, something related to type. Okay. And I can get one more list filter, or maybe I can take the numbers also. Okay. So I think I can have quite a few filters over here. So let me decrease the size, and now let me bring the list. And here I'm going to take lead source. Okay. And then I'm going to take a number filter. Okay. Yeah, sorry, it's a range filter basically. And I will take the amount. Okay. And of course, I will then take the date filter. And I was thinking if I can take one more filter, maybe. Uh, 20 type stage. Okay. I will take the created date. That's fine. Okay. So I will take the close date, of course. And what I can do is, I think this much is enough for me. I can just expand this a bit, and even expand this also a bit. And I think I can leave this one as it is. And what I can do is in this container, I can bring all these filters and stick it over here. Okay? So I will click on this thing, click on control in my keyboard, and one go shift it and decrease the size of it. Okay, and shift it over here. Fine. I think that's enough. I can shift it further. Yeah, I think this is enough for me. Okay. And now what I can do is I can again bring a container. I can give the number widgets. Fine. So again, I mean, before bringing the container, let me put this numbers. So basically, this is the total number of opportunities. Okay. So this will be my count of those, which is total number of opportunities. Okay. I'll bring one more number filter where it will be basically sum of amount. Okay. Sum of amount. And one more will be related to total expected revenue. Total expected amount. That's it. And I can increase the size. And what I will do is I'll bring a container. And after that, I will do the further steps. Okay. So I think this much is enough for me. And here I can actually just ensure the number is shortened. And here also the same thing. Okay. And again, I will bring a container to maintain the proper neatness. So here I will just expand this container and I will bring it over here. Okay. I will expand it over here. That is fine. Similarly over here, that is also fine. And similarly this one as well. Okay. And of course I can move all of them for middle alignment. Okay. Okay. That's the thing. And of course I can bring it over here. Oh, 1 minute. Okay, maybe I can expand this a bit and then I can move it upwards. Okay. Yeah. And of course, then we can always have the chart, but maybe here I can take a repeater widget. Okay. I'm thinking to try something different. I was always trying the chart. Okay. So here, what I'm going to do in the repeater widget, I will take uh, op label cart. Okay. And I will click on done. Fine. That's it. And here, what I will do is I will just add these things. Okay. So I will add this particular thing over here. Right. And this one is not needed. Maybe I will bring the uh, directly the number and the chart. Okay. So here I will be just taking the number, make it as center. Okay. And here, uh, here it is. And I will bring the chart. Okay. So on the chart, what I can do is, okay. One thing I have missed is basically I will go back. Actually, I should have taken the stage name at least. Okay. Then it would have given me appropriately. Fine. But anyways, as of now, what I can do is I can just bring a chart only. That is enough for me. And let me click on done. Okay. That is the thing. This add text was not required. God, let me delete this one as of now. It doesn't make sense. I can go for the chart. Fine. I can go for two charts. Okay. Uh, Here I can go for stage, of course. I can take the help of the suggested chart. I think this one looks good. Okay. And here I can take one more chart, maybe something related to type. So I'll go for type. Here also I'll write type. And I can again take the help of the charts. I think this one makes sense to me. Okay. And this is the way we can add further things. So here, of course, we can write the opportunity dashboard. Okay, we can make it real alignment. And here we can write it gives details related to the opportunity. And of course, we could have added the table, but that's fine. Okay, we can add later on as well. But this is how the opportunity dashboard will look, a simple opportunity dashboard, counter, sum of amount, some experience on the charts. Okay. And at last, we can add the table as well. Maybe I can show you in the next session. Okay. But as of now, I can just save it as opportunity dashboard. Cool. I will save it in my CRMA dashboard app. Click on save. Yeah, that's it about this one opportunity. You can also add the table. I can also do that maybe in the next session. But yeah, that is all about this. And in the next video, we cover about the product dashboard. Thank you.